Hi, this is Lily and welcome to my page. It's great to see you here today. And you know what? I always look forward to coming on my page and just having a chat with you about anything. It doesn't have to be something dramatic, just something simple. And my saying that I love to say is keep it simple, keep life simple, keep things simple. And I also know that if we're just to embrace the moment and be in the moment, then we're going to do well. I mean, we're going to be okay. So what am I going to say today is just something very simple. Love. I believe that love is a cure for everything. Everyone and anyone you meet, just embrace them and say, hey. You don't have to say I love you to everyone, but you can show it in your actions. You just give them a big smile and just a genuinely big smile and say, hey, make them feel great. And if we're all going to do that, how wonderful this world would be. Wouldn't it be great if we just all went up to people and say, hey, have a wonderful day, or even our animals, that we see, our pets. Just give them that time, to just give them a cuddle, and you know what? They're just so amazing how they can just be there for you. Your pets, they're amazing. But anyway, my simple quote for the day is, love is the cure for everything. And if we were just to follow that basic rule, let's make it a basic rule, wouldn't it be a happier place for all of us to live in? I mean, yeah, love is a cure. Just show people love with your actions. And like I said, you don't have to use the word if you're not comfortable using the word to other people sometimes, but you can just say with your eyes, with your body, say, hey, I love you. So anyway, that's what I wanted to share today. It was just something simple, nothing like about saying, hey, this is what you can do, so much money you can make. But if we all just went around and just helped and supported each other, just imagine how we could all just be living in that present moment, just feeling that love and feeling the love. It's just amazing. So that's my quote for today. My quote for today would be just to say, go out there and show love. Because I just think that's the most powerful thing that we all have. It's love. Just to show it with your actions. Like I said, just to do the simple things. Take your neighbour's rubbish out, or take their rubbish back in. I've said it before in my past videos. Love is a cure for everything. Someone could be lonely and all you had to do was say hi to them. Your pets, your neighbours' pets even, take them for a walk. I don't know, just these simple things that we could do for someone. It can really be inspiring for them as well as you, because you're going to feel great about yourself doing something like that. So that's all I've got to share today. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my videos and click onto my links, because you know what? It's something different, isn't it? There's always something different to look forward to in life. And why not do something different? Okay, so cheers. We'll see you again on my next video. And again, I must state, love is a cure for everything. Absolutely. Cheers for now.